Be ready? Start. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. It is a bicameral legislature composed of the President of India and the two houses, the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, House of the People. The President, in his role as head of legislature, has full powers to summon and prorogue either house of parliament or to dissolve Lok Sabha. The President can exercise these powers only upon the advice of the Prime Minister and his Union Council of Ministers. Those elected or nominated by the President to either House of Parliament are referred to as Members of Parliament MP. The Members of Parliament Lok Sabha are directly elected by the Indian public voting in single member districts, and the members of parliament Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of all state legislative assembly by proportional representation. The parliament has a sanctioned strength of 543 in Lok Sabha and 245 in Rajya Sabha, including the 12 nominees from the expertise of different fields of science, culture, art, and history. The parliament meets at Sansad Bhavan in New Delhi. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India. Following India's independence from Britain in 1947, its members served as the nation's first parliament. The Parliament House, Sansad Bhavan, is located in New Delhi. It was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker, who were responsible for planning and construction of New Delhi by British government. The construction of building took 6 years and the opening ceremony was performed on 18 January 1927 by the then Viceroy and Governor General of India, Lord Irwin. The construction cost for the building were 8.3 million. The parliament is 170 meters in diameter and covers an area of 2.4 hectares. The central hall consists of the chambers of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the library hall. Surrounding these three chambers is the four-storied circular structure providing accommodations for members and houses, parliamentary committees, offices, and the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. The center and the focus of the building is the central hall. It consists of chambers of the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, and the library hall, and between them lie garden courts. Surrounding these three chambers is the four-storied circular structure providing accommodations for ministers, chairmen, parliamentary committees, party offices, important offices of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Secretariat, and also the offices of the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. The central hall is circular in shape and the dome is 30 meters in diameter. It is a place of historical importance. The Indian Constitution was framed in the Central Hall. The Central Hall was originally used in the library of the erstwhile Central Legislative Assembly and the Council of States. In 1946, it was converted and refurbished into Constituent Assembly Hall. At present, the Central Hall is used for holding joint sittings of both the Houses of Parliament and also used for address by the President in the commencement of first session after each general election. A new parliament building may replace the existing complex. The new building is being considered on account of the stability concerns regarding the current complex. A committee to suggest alternatives to the current building has been set up by the former Speaker Meera Kumar. The present building, an 85-year-old structure, suffers from inadequacy of space to house members and their staff and is thought to suffer from structural issues. The building also needs to be protected because its heritage tag. PM Modi to lay new parliament building foundation. He will also perform the groundbreaking ceremony for the building, which is expected to be completed by 2022 at an estimated cost of rupees 971 crore. The Indian Parliament consists of two houses called the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, with the President of India acting as their head.